Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unmute a contact on WhatsApp. Maybe you had previously muted a contact and now you want to receive notifications from them. So today I'm going to show you how to unmute a contact on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, locate the conversation that you want to unmute. For example, I want to unmute this conversation. Simply long press on that conversation. After that, a set of options will appear at the top. From here, tap on the speaker icon to unmute this contact. After that, you now have successfully unmuted the contact on WhatsApp. You will now start receiving notifications for their messages again. This means that you will be alerted whenever they send you a new message on the application. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unmute a contact on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unmute a contact on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.